Yeah. That's actually really good.
Gorki fotoğrafımız gelmiştir. Amerikanski Gorki. Fotoğraf jandarma balaslar gelmiştir.
American, this is American. How is it? How is it?
View was good.
It was pretty good, actually. It was, yeah, it's pretty good.
American coasters, he said.
Does it count as a wild mouse? No, yeah, I don't think so.
I don't know.
Does it? You know what a wild mouse is?
It's a type, right?
No, like really like tight turns.
I'm happy for you
I don't
guys.
know about that. It's like a legit coaster. How did they fit all that in there? I need to get some footage of this.